Good morning, Lucy. Today, we're going to cook together.
Cook together? But I don't know how to cook, Emma.
Don't worry. I'll teach you step by step. What do you like to eat?
I love pasta and cookies and pizza.
Perfect. Let's make pasta with tomato sauce. It's easy and delicious.
Delicious means it tastes very good?
Exactly. Say it with me. Pasta is delicious.
Pasta is delicious.
Before we cook, we need ingredients. Do you know what ingredients are?
The things we put in food?
Perfect. Ingredients are all the foods we mix together. Let's make a list.
What ingredients do we need?
For pasta, we need pasta, tomatoes, onions, and cheese.
Pasta, tomatoes, onions, cheese. Got it.
And don't forget garlic. Garlic makes food taste amazing.
Garlic. What does garlic look like?
Small, white, and very strong smell. You'll see at the store. Here we are at the supermarket. First, let's find vegetables.
So many vegetables! Where are the tomatoes?
Look for red, round vegetables. There, those are tomatoes.
These tomatoes are so red and shiny.
Good choice. Choose tomatoes that are firm and red. Feel this one.
It feels good. Not too soft, not too hard.
Excellent. That's how you choose fresh tomatoes.
Emma, where are the onions?
Onions are usually brown or white. Look, there they are.
These look like big white balls.
Exactly. And here's the garlic. See these small white pieces?
Oh, they're tiny. Do we need many?
Just 2 pieces. Garlic is very strong, so we use a little.
A little garlic. Got it.
Now, let's find pasta and cheese. To the pasta section. Welcome to my kitchen. Are you excited to start cooking?
Yes, but I'm also a little nervous. What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are okay. Cooking is about learning. Let's wash our hands first.
Why do we wash hands?
Clean hands make clean food. Always wash hands before cooking.
Always wash hands before cooking. Important rule.
Very important. Now, let's put on aprons to protect our clothes.
This apron is so cute. Now what do we do?
First, we prepare our ingredients. This is called prep work.
Prep work?
Yes, prep means prepare. We wash, cut, and organize everything.
So, prep work is preparing ingredients?
Perfect understanding. Let's start with washing the tomatoes.
The water makes them even more shiny.
Clean vegetables taste better and are healthier for us. Now we need to cut the tomatoes. Watch me carefully.
The knife looks scary. Is it dangerous?
Knives can be dangerous, so we must be very careful. Hold like this.
Can I try?
Let's start with something easier. You can tear the basil leaves.
Tear basil leaves? With my hands?
Yes. See these green leaves? Just pull them into small pieces.
Like this?
Perfect. Tearing basil releases the lovely smell.
Emma, what are you doing with the onions?
I'm chopping the onions into small pieces. Chop means cut into tiny bits.
Your eyes look watery. Are you crying?
Onions make your eyes water. It's normal. Don't worry.
That's funny. Onions make people cry.
Yes, but they make food taste wonderful. Here, smell this garlic.
Wow, very strong smell.
We'll add just a little to our sauce. Time to cook. First, we heat oil in this pan. This is called a frying pan.
Frying pan. The oil makes little bubbles.
That means it's hot and ready. Now we add the onions. Listen.
It makes a sizzling sound. Sizzle, sizzle.
Perfect. Sizzling means the onions are cooking. Stir them like this.
Can I stir?
Carefully. Hold the spoon and move in circles.
I'm stirring. This is fun.
Great stirring. Now let's add the garlic. Just for 30 seconds.
Why only 30 seconds?
Too long and garlic becomes bitter. We want it sweet and soft.
Sweet and soft garlic. I understand.
Now the tomatoes. Pour them in carefully.
They're bubbling and jumping.
The tomatoes are cooking down into sauce. Add your basil now.
My torn basil leaves.
Yes, you helped make this sauce. While sauce cooks, let's boil water for pasta. Fill this big pot.
This pot is heavy when it's full of water.
Big pot, lots of water. Pasta needs space to swim and dance.
Pasta can swim and dance?
It's a fun way to say pasta moves in boiling water.
I like that. Swimming pasta.
When water bubbles hard, it's boiling. Then we add pasta.
How long does pasta cook?
Usually 10 minutes. We'll taste it to check. Look, the pasta is ready and our sauce smells amazing.
It does smell good. What now?
Now we drain the pasta. Drain means remove the water.
Like this special spoon with holes?
That's a colander. It catches pasta but lets water go through.
Colander. Smart tool.
Now we mix pasta and sauce together. This is the best part.
Everything looks so colorful. Red sauce, green basil, white pasta.
And finally, we add cheese on top. Cheese makes everything better. The food is ready. What do we do now? Now we set the table. Setting the table means putting plates and forks. I can help. Where do plates go? Plates in the center, forks on the left, napkins beside forks. Plates center, forks left, napkins beside. Got it! And don't forget glasses for water. Glasses for water. The table looks nice. Beautiful. You're a great helper, Lucy. Time to serve our pasta. Serving means putting food on plates. I want to serve. Can I use the big spoon? Of course. Take some pasta, then add sauce on top. Like this? Perfect serving. Now sprinkle cheese on top. Sprinkle means put little bits? Exactly. Just a little sprinkle of cheese. Our pasta looks like restaurant food. Because we cooked with love, food tastes better with love. Time to taste our cooking. I'm excited. Take your fork and try a bite. What do you think?
It's really delicious. We made this ourselves.
You did so well. You helped with every step.
I stirred the sauce, tore the basil, and served the pasta.
And you learned so many cooking words today.
Yes, ingredients, prep work, chop, stir, boil, drain.
Don't forget sizzle, sprinkle, and colander.
So many new words. Cooking teaches English.
What other foods would you like to learn to cook?
Can we make cookies next time?
Cookies are perfect for learning. We'll need flour, sugar, butter.
More ingredients to learn.
Exactly. And we'll use the oven instead of the stove.
Oven is different from stove?
Stove cooks on top. Oven bakes inside. You'll learn both ways.
I love learning to cook with you, Emma.